I guess what I made for letter test. Do I have to make milk? Nah. Or make sausage patties? Do not seem. I want to make something different from the others. Am I going to make a video on how to take a good photo with makeshift tools? Interesting. Step 1. Find the object. When we want to photograph an object, we have to take the object first. Here I use my S5 camera Rider. Step 2. A tool that can change the light color of the cell phone. So that the photo looks good, I will use a book to change the color of light. Now, let's start the manufacturing process.
Wake up, honey, I made you breakfast. Fresh coffee and
I have set the lighting and the object earlier. Now let's take the photo. Try to focus the camera on the object we want to photograph. To make it even cooler, let's edit this photo.
Growing up is just a big fat trap. I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the use of it anyway.
Yes, finally we finished making photo. Thank you for watching. My name is Kenobi Yudhistira. I excused myself. Assalamualaikum.